Hello.
How are you?
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Good. Nice to meet you.
I'm nice to meet you too. I'm Nicole. What's your name?
Noor Muhammad.
Mohammed.
Yeah.
Very good.
Where are you from? Where you
I'm
from?
from the United States.
Yeah, I'm from India. South India.
Oh, okay. What part of India? Oh, the south of India?
South India.
What do you do there?
I'm working in Middle East, in Dubai. Last
Oh,
couple of
you
years.
work in Dubai.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And how long have you lived in Dubai?
Couple of years.
Nice. How is everything there right now with the virus?
Yeah, I know it's better here in Dubai. Last
Yeah, than in India.
now
I think it's pretty
India
bad in
is
India,
now
right?
very bad.
Yeah,
The number is up. How is in your country in US?
horrible.
Very good. Same
Yeah,
like
it's
that
pretty
India.
bad. Well, where I live, it's not so bad. But in some other parts of the country, it's really bad. So, because people aren't wearing masks when they're going to parties and they don't think it
In
they don't think it's real. So they don't take it
Yes,
seriously.
absolutely. In US, not maintain the social distance, not
Mm-hmm.
wearing the mask.
Not doing the social distance.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah.
written the book. You author of the book.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, I saw your profile. You written the books.
Do I write books?
Yeah, you write the
No,
book.
no, no, I don't write books. No, I do more like poetry and blogging and stuff like that. Yeah.
Which kind of blog?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Who
How
do you
long
play
working
with?
in Cambly? How
Me?
long be working? Yeah,
Since March.
since March.
Hmm.
I was going in online teaching.
Yeah, it's great. I've been teaching online for the past year, just with different companies. So yeah, Cambly is my favorite so far. Yeah, yeah, it's fun. I get to talk to people from all over the world. Oh, but we're out of time. So
Yeah,
Mohammed, it's
time will be finished.
very nice to
Okay,
meet
thank you. We
you.
will meet in next class.
Bye.